Morning there, boys and girls. Honda 3-button key. If I remember rightly, these were used on the Civic, FRV, HRV, CRV, early Jazz, the S2000, and the multivan. What was the multivan? The Stream, Honda Stream. So all sort of used between like maybe 98 and 2007-ish. So what I'm going to show you is on the back here there's a screw just here. It's small, so be careful. So basically undo that. If you're lucky, the screw comes with you on the end of the screwdriver like that. Most of the time you drop it and you lose it. Put that to one side. So in logical thoughts, you'd think that that was literally just a pull-off case. Yes, it does, but you'll feel a bit of resistance there. And what you need to do is wiggle. And you'll notice there's a hook here. Okay, put that to one side. Pull those innards out. Put that case to one side. So there you got your innards. Okay, that does all the work. Now, to get to the battery, there's a lever just there with my big fingers, which you have to lift up, and there is another one just there, which is a peg. Right, take the cover off. You'll see the battery on the inner side there. Okay, now if I remember rightly, these are 1616s. Let's see if we can get that out with the screwdriver. They are a peg. Right, and they're small and fidgety. What have we got here? So small I can't see it. Yep, CR 1616s. Okay, small, very fidgety. Okay, so I'll put that back in when I've got two chances. Okay, so that can stay to one side. That's your top cover. Now what you've got here is your circuit board. Okay, you can take this out of here like so. Please be careful, these are fragile. There's your top cover, there's your inner cover, and there's the side of the circuit board that does all the work. Okay, so simply put it back together, that in there, that back in there. You've got to make sure that this little cover here is equal all the way around. Okay, battery cover on top. These are awkward, fidgety. Okay, so what you should have is button, button, button. Okay, simply whack back in the case. Something else I haven't shown you either as well. This here, this is your transponder. This is the bit that says the key belongs to the car and will let you start. When you put this cover back on, remember the hook. Got to go in like so. Give it a bit of a wiggle. Push it down. Okay. Screw back in the hole. Do a back up. Hey presto, you changed your battery, you've had clean inside, you've done everything. Alright, hope that finds some use to you. Bye.